Hey guys, how's your day? I just got these really weird molds from Amazon, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I put some mica in the, okay, this is a moon with a unicorn on it, but there's no, it's not divided. So I put mica in here, and I'm going to make a pretty moon with this, and I'm going to try to put this over this, but I don't know how this is going to work. This YouTube video may not make it onto YouTube. So you'll never know if it doesn't work. So anyway, I made this one purple. This is a little castle, and this is a wolf, but I can't get the Q-tip down into his feet, so to cover them with copper too, so that might look weird. Can't quite figure out how to get it down there. And then I put black in mica in the kitty cats. All right, talk to you later. Okay guys, here are my weird little silhouette moons. You can see where I put the mica on here, and it distinguished that part of the thing from the moon. So they're kind of pretty, huh? I'm not quite sure what to do with them. They're too big for ornaments. They won't sit right in a display mold, I don't think. I don't know, let me see. Let's see. Oh, they do fit, but you can see all that. You can see all the mold back behind it. I mean the display thing behind it, so that's not very pretty. So I thought these were a lot smaller and I could put them in coasters, but they turned out to be really big. So now I don't know what to do. I do have bigger molds though. I might embed them in a bunch of mica like this in a round, big, like a cake size mold. Put mica in the bottom and then stick this in there, and then maybe make it to hang on the wall, or I don't know. If you have any ideas, please let me know below. And this is it. So anyway, they're really pretty. Really pretty. This one. Of course, my holographic glitters, Brother. Anyway, so I'll put the link below if you want to do something with these or not. They're from Amazon. Alright? Okay. I will get on with another video for the next couple days, okay? Talk to you later. Like and subscribe. Bye.